Hello, welcome to section 6 of this training. Section 6 is about cover design. Yes, it is an important aspect of Kindle publishing. If you want to grab attention, apart from your book title, cover also play an integral part. But Amazon frown at just picking images online and slapping it on your cover, then publishing. Once you are caught, your account will be closed or terminated. So to avoid that, for a new account, what you need to do is for you to search for the person that you are publishing, you're writing about. So the images that we are using is Audrey Hepburn. Now we filter it by clicking on Tools, Usage Rights, pick images under Creative Commons licenses. Mostly, since we are going to be selling the books, I will advise you go for commercial and other licenses. At times, you might not find images that are suitable for your cover design under these places. Then you can go for an AI generated images like cartoon or blank PMM cover. Amazon will approve those books pretty fast. But if you want to risk your account, a new account, you can just pick any image and slap it on your cover and publish. But for my student, I would advise you just do this. Yes, these are pictures, images of this woman. Any images that you will be picking under Creative Commons licenses, keep the link. Just keep the link. Keep the link so that once it is being requested by Amazon, you will now provide the link and explain that the picture is under Creative Commons licenses commercial. From there, Amazon will now approve your book. This is a very fine picture. You can pick this one from Pixabay. It is free. For this training, we will not pick any of these images. Yes, my accounts, I have gotten over 30 approved book and I've made over $1,000 on the account. So I can publish books picking any of the images on the internet, work a little bit on the images and make it my own. So, but today I won't be going that way. I will be using an AI that we have on Canva to generate images for this cover. Now, this is Canva. Go to apps on Canva, scroll down, see this text to image, click on it, just wait for it to load. Good, start all over. Yeah, this is the app on Canva. Then we're writing about Audrey Hepburn. Let me see. I'll copy Audrey Hepburn and I'll take it to my Canva app. Include objects, colors, location, surrounding, people. Here we'll be requesting for Audrey Hepburn portrait. Let's see. Portrait. Okay. Click on create the images. Let's hold on. The AI is doing its thing. So, yeah, these are images created by this AI for us. If you check online, those images are images of this woman. If you don't like it, you can click on create again. Yes, these are good pictures. These are good pictures. I like this. So I'm going to be using a black background. So let me pick this. Okay, we'll use this. Okay, like this. Yes, that is it. Take it down. And just take it down. Now, I want to be removing the background. I'm using Canva Pro, the premium version. So, I am able to remove background by clicking Edit Photo. But if you don't have premium Canva, you can go to Remove Background. Remove Background. This is Remove Background. I like Slack. So this Slack. Yeah, I like Slaza. If I come here now, click on it. I'll just download that image given to you by Canva, put it here, remove the background, then you take it back to Canva as a transparent background image. Then you continue with your design. But here, since I have the premium version, I'll now click on here and click on remove background. Let's see. This is good. This is good. Let me make it bold. Let me make her to look bold. Yeah, I like this. Now, obviously remember the title of our book. Let's go and get the title of our relevant biography, the untold story of Hollywood's most beloved star. Yes, I can just choose to put Audrey Hepburn biography on my cover. Then this, it is not compulsory to put this. It is only compulsory to include the title and the subtitle on their manuscript, that is their document, and your title and subtitle, that is headline and sub-headline when you are publishing. But on the cover, you can choose to write only the woman's name and biography, or you just leave it blank, and Amazon will accept it like that. So here, I'll just write this. Okay, let me just make the write only the woman's name. Only the woman's name. I'll pick text. Click add a text box. Yes, I'll drop it there. This is it. Click on Ctrl A. Make this maybe, let me see, 30. It's not bold enough. Let me see, 40. Good. Since we are using black, white will go with black. So I'll pick white. That's it. White color. Can you see? White. Now, in case you don't have a paid version, you can use any of this. This is free. They have pretty forms on Canva that you can use freely without paying a dime. Okay, on this I'll be using this. Let me try this. It. Wow, I like it. I like this. Okay, I'll remove the board. Oh man, I like it. That is it. Duplicate that. Okay, and put this. Can you see? show tilt, make it, click on position, center align, position, center align. Are you sure this is center align? Okay, I'll make this 50. Let me say 50. 50 is okay. I'll make this 45. 45. Let's see. That's good. Let me zoom in and check what we've done so far. Oh, this woman is beautiful. This woman is beautiful. Okay. Good. Because of the space, we'll reduce this woman more. We'll reduce this woman more. We'll reduce this woman. We'll reduce this woman. Please. Now, that is it. Andre, Canva biography. Now, I'll pick this and click on duplicate. Put biography here. Type biography. Now I can just pick a straight line. A straight line here, simple one. If you don't have premium one, that shouldn't be an excuse for not publishing or designing a nice cover. Just pick something here, straight line. I can pick this. Let me see if I'll be able to see another one. Okay, graphics. This is paid. This is free. This is free. See, this is free. And this is nice. See, this is free. This one is paid. So, let me just pick this. I want to use it as a demarcation. Make it white, make it big, center align it, good. People will still buy this book like this. It is not bad. People will still buy it. Can you see? Can you see? They will still buy it. This is history. Not too much fancy. Just simple black and white. Simple, any color that fits with history, go with that color. Not too much flashy things. Okay. Now, I'm done with my cover. I'm done with my cover. Yes, I'm done with my cover. Let me make it 100% to see the full size and the beauty of this cover. Can you see? Can you see? I can also okay, that's it. Now I can reduce the size. It seems that this biography is even competing with the name. So can I make this 40? Then let me do something. Let me see if I can increase 0, 0. I think if I wanted to do data spacing. Okay. 35. I don't want the biography to the font of the biography to be bold, but I just wanted to have a design like something like this, a triangle design. No. Let me still push this one up. It's alright. Should be okay. Should be fine. 100%. This is how it will look. Okay. Let's reduce this and see how sharp the picture is using AI. Amazon will just accept this one straight hand. But if you use image that you do not have the right to, the account will be gone forever. This is what will be downloaded. Let me delete others that I was doing for now. Let me delete them. Now you are going to download this one. So I'll call it album biography. Click on download. This is what I've been doing, and I'm earning money daily. You just simple background, simple design. All 3 pages. No, I don't want all these pages now. I want only my cover, the newly designed cover. Yeah, this is it. Done. Yeah, let's view our cover, our design. Very neat cover. Can you see? This is unique cover. Audrey Hepburn biography. That is it. Don't put too much light up on your cover. Let your cover be clean. Thank you.